Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If this is your first time here or you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, also leave your opinions in the comment section below. Drama in Edo State has 68 Obaseki associates secure court injunction against police arrest. No fewer than 68 political associates of former Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki have been granted a restraining order by the state high court, shielding them from arrest by the Nigerian police. The order is linked to a petition filed in July 2024 by the acting state chairman of the All Progressive Congress, APC. The group includes political appointees, local government chairmen, aides, and other associates of a former governor. They approached the court through their counsel, Olayiwola Afolabi-San, seeking protection against what they described as unlawful arrests and detentions. The lawsuit, marked B266M 2024, names Inspector General of Police IGP and Commissioner of Police in Edo State, the Deputy Inspector of Police, 4th CID Abuja, and the Police Service Commission PSC as respondents. Justice A.T. Momodu issued the interim injunction barring the respondents and their agents from arresting, detaining, or inviting the applications for questioning regarding the APC chairman's petition. In the ruling, Justice Momodu stated, an order of interim injunction is hereby made, restraining the respondents either by themselves, police officers in their department, and or any police officer acting under their instruction from inviting, arresting, and detaining the applicant in any of the respondents' offices in respect of a petition written by the chairman of the All Progressive Congress Edo State, dated 18/07/2024, pending the hearing and determination of the originating motion filed by the applicant in the enforcement of their fundamental human rights. The court also directed that the enrolled order be served along with the originating motion on the respondents. The petition filed by the APC chairman accused the political associates of Obaseki of various alleged infractions. However, the applicants argued that the petition is politically motivated and infringes on their fundamental rights. You all, what are your thoughts? Let's have them in the comment section below. I have an issue with this in the sense that, okay, let's agree that filing the petition against these associates of Obaseki by the APC chairman in Edo State could be that he was just trying to get these people, or could be because he has some grudges, pardon me, against them. But notwithstanding, if you know that you have no cockroaches in your cupboard, why would you go to the length of seeking a court injunction for you not to be arrested, interrogated, or or interviewed of any kind? Like, why? If you actually do not have any cockroaches or any mosquitoes in your cupboard, why would you go to that length? You asking for I would say they should have said they should. Okay, if they're asking not to be arrested, that would have been something. But you're asking not to be interrogated, not to be arrested. Like, how now? How? Because if you have not done anything wrong, I don't think that you will even be afraid of being invited. They're asking not to be invited at all, not to be arrested, not to be detained. If at all, the All Progressive Congress, the APC, had written this petition just because they want to winch hunt them, even if at all that is the reason. But you that you know that you have no cockroach in your cupboard, although some people might want to argue that, it's APC government that is reigning, they are at the federal level. Even if they found nothing against you, they are still going to find a way of holding you. They are still going to find a way, of mistreating these people, all because they have the power to do so. And we are in a very country that is insane. It's a banana republic. According to who even called Nigeria a zoo, a prominent personality, a female, the name is not coming to me right now, called Nigeria a zoo recently, and Nigeria went for her seriously. But this is partly true, because rules and regulation, the constitutions do not work in Nigeria. We just behave anyhow we want to behave. The other day, the video clip where Alex, the House of Representative member, slapped that driver, and we've seen other videos of these so-called politicians or people that are being elected to office to serve Nigerians are mistreating the people who voted them to power. We have seen that happen, and they will ask police to go and arrest you, and police would not even ask two questions. Police will not ask any questions, and they will just do it just because they know that they are going to get paid for it. And they will not even ask a question like, what happened? Oh, please, who is that for? As long as there's this saying that now who first go police station, now in the case they in favor of. Now you wey first of all run go police station, now in the case they favor. And that's the actual truth of the matter in Nigeria. It is the person that wants to report. Even when you are guilty and you just happens to be the one that wants to go and report, they are going to use, in so many cases in this country, policemen are just used to oppress the innocent. Let's just be realistic. In so many situations we've seen where, you just go, who is who? Do you know who I am? Before you know it, they don't drop, do you know who I am? They will just go and call police and, use police to threaten and harass innocent people, irrespective of the fact that the person even calling the police is the guilty party. But what I'm just trying to say in essence is, I do not think that these people should be seeking an injunction not to be invited. If at all they are saying, okay, we are seeking an injunction not to be arrested or detained, that is still, that I can accept. But you including that you don't even want to be invited for questioning, which means you don't want to be held accountable. You don't want to be held accountable. If investigations are being done and then you are found culpable, shouldn't you be invited for questioning or interrogation? Now you are saying that you want an injunction not to be invited at all. You don't want to be questioned. That is where I don't even agree. That is what I don't agree with, and that is where it's just somehow it irks me to hear that these people who have served their dope people for maximum of 8 years are now asking not to be interrogated. What? You all, let's have your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you all think? Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done that. I will see you all in my next video.